Hello everyone and welcome back to this series on Web365 Clone with Copilot functionalities, of course. If this is your first time watching this series, and then the link is in the description below, and then you can also find there the source code, link to the source code, and also all other assets or resources used in this tutorial. In this episode, we look at the functionalities that will insert the current date and time into our application. So let us get right into it. This one will insert the current time. First, create the time itself, or get the time itself, which will be Q time dot. Okay, we want to get the current time, but make sure you have this Q time imported from pyqt5.qt and then now we can just, after getting the time, we can just insert it. So self.textEdit dot insert plain text. They want to not just insert the time, we want to set time dot to string. Okay, we can leave it here for now and then connect it, but let me first give my comment. Let's connect it up here. So self.action insert time dot triggered dot connect self dot insert time. Let us run our application and see. Okay, no, not this one. You see that this is how it brings it, but I want it in another format, so I'll do some quick formatting and then I'll see you again. So instead of just the toString, I want it to bring it out to local date. So that will be qt dot default local long date. Of course, if you want to short this to, you can do that. And so if I run it now, I see that one tells me exactly the time with the AM and everything there. And so that will be for the insert time. The date also shouldn't be that default, so I can just do myself a favor by copying this one and then pasting it down here. But this one will be insert and then I have to change this one also to date, this one as well. And then this one will not be current time, this will be current date. This one too, the same toString, but default local long date. Okay, this one remains the same. So let's connect the functionality also for the date. So self.action insert date dot triggered dot connect. We want to connect it to self dot insert date. Let us run it now and see. So when I click on this one, we have an error. And what will that error be? Okay, the kind that never shows you what caused the crash. So what we can now do is to wrap it up in a try and except block. But it should work. This should be Q date. And then make sure you import it also from Qtcall. So now you have the date also given there. So we can insert the date, the time as well, and everything else that we want to insert. So that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for your time. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you are new. Thank you very much for your time. I'll see you another time with another video.